Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about GAYA Wallet Airdrop, which is currently ongoing at the moment, and it is actually huge. In addition to that, I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can be able to join this wallet airdrop, create a new wallet, as well as have the certain reward set up, then ensure that you use the proper referral code, the tasks involved, and how to be able to connect your wallet. A typical example is your Phantom wallet is a Solana airdrop, so that you can be able to fully set up and be eligible for the airdrop when the time comes. If you are new here, my name is Odis Profits and I make content about crypto tech and finance. Do well to subscribe, turn on post notification, as well as join the Telegram channel that is linked in the description. I've been away for some time in order to be able to work on my crypto course as well as diversify my crypto contents. So we might be seeing other contents that are still related to making money online. A typical example, crypto, in addition to that. So let's just move forward. So here is Gaia Wallet here. As you can see, it's a new airdrop and it is huge at the moment. You see a lot of people joining Gaia airdrop, as well as it having 5,000 or 50,000 downloads online. A typical example on Play Store. So head over to Play Store. We can be able to proceed from there. So the first thing that you need to be able to do is to use the referral link that is showing on the screen. You can be able to download it via Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the one that you have. So once you click on it, it will actually load for you and you can be able to download. Then the next thing is to click on the app or open it so that it opens for you. Then you need to be able to sign up by creating a new wallet. That is what you need to be able to do right now because you don't have a previous seed phrase. So you create a new wallet. So once you're done creating the account, you should make sure that you have your wallet seed phrase there during your setup. You should be able to do that so that it will actually connect completely for you. So the next thing that you need to be able to do once you have the account created is to go to your settings section. That is the settings that is right here below, the one that you are seeing with the settings icon. So if you click on it, it actually opens up every single thing for you. So the most important thing is for you to be able to go through the rewards section, that is the rewards. Then for you to be able to do the reward, actually you need to add the referral link that is showing on the screen, or the referral code that is showing on the screen right now. Okay, once you're done with that, if you input the referral code, it will actually load for you. So this is the entire thing that you need to be able to see. So the first thing is to do all these entire tasks. That is for the reward section. Do all these entire tasks, which we are going to be able to see in a short period of time. So the first thing here is to claim your welcome bonus. So that is the first thing that you need to be able to do, is to claim your welcome bonus. Welcome bonus, it has actually claimed here. That is, I have 100 XP points. Then the next is to invite friends that share people your referral. That's J15D, the same way that you are seeing the referral code I just showed earlier. So share your invite to your friends. The next is to perform the on-chain transactions or on-chain task for you to be able to swap, let's say, one Solana or $1 worth of Solana. Then you can just buy one crypto, that kind of a thing. So those are like the things for you to be able to do and swap it inside the app. So make sure you can be able to do it so that it will just register that you had it. All right. The next will be to do the social task right here. So the social tags are a lot of them, but not that much. So you can be able to follow them on Instagram, follow them on X, join their Telegram channel, YouTube, CoinMarketCap, App Review, App Store. If you're using, join their Telegram, App Store if you're using the iPhone, as well as LinkedIn. Okay, so many tags are actually here, and we can be able to do it the same way we have been doing other tags before. So those are like how to be able to connect the socials. Then the last thing is for you to be able to connect your wallet. All right, connect your wallet. So here, in terms of connecting your wallet, you can be able to see the wallet that you have, which is the multi-chain wallet here. That is the first thing. Then the reward wallet is what you need to be able to connect. That's adding your Solana wallet here. So which one should you add? The Phantom wallet that you have, that is the wallet address on Phantom that you should be able to put here, and it will submit. Let's say this is my Phantom wallet here, and I'm going to copy my Solana address, which you should have on your own end. Okay, so I'll just click on receive. Then I can be able to copy my wallet address there. And once I add it, I can be able to just click on it and it will load for me as my wallet address. So basically, these are the entire things that we need to be able to do for us to have the airdrop. Then there's a lot of rank here that is just 400 XC away from unlocking your first rank. So we can be able to get ranks by moving up on the leaderboard when we complete some of the tasks that we have on our accounts. So basically, that's every single thing related to the Gaia airdrop. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, as well as join the Telegram channel linked in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.